Okay, students, now we are going to be looking at the next formatting options available. So just press Control 1, and this is the currency option. So in the just a minute ago, I was mentioning about the savings that this person has got and how exactly I wanted to give the thousandth format. So that specification was shown here, but we exclusively have a currency formatting. So in this case, whatever currency formatting you are using, you can place. So we got dollars there, a list of options. So you got the renminbi there. So if you want the entire thing in renminbi, you can just click the renminbi sign there, and after the decimal, you need two places, and then click OK. You will get this in renminbi. So imagine, and for the next thing is that if you want to change this, say I've got 1 to 4 or 1 to 1 7 8 5 6 7 8. So I've got this. I want to change this. So press Control 1 and then go to currency formatting, and then you can choose the currency. Say you want it in dollars. Click it in dollars, American dollars, and then click OK. You'll get the entire value in dollars. So that is another important format that you will have to know. Now, next one is accounting. Now, accounting is same as currency formatting. So there is no big change in that.